Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to get a free private server in Blox Fruits on Roblox. Let's get started. First, go to your browser search bar and search for Blox Fruits private server. Once you do that, you'll see a website from Gamerbird showing free Blox Fruits private server. Click on the result to open the page. After opening it, create an account using your Roblox username. Once you're on the site, you'll see the private server section. Here, you'll find multiple free private server links like grinding servers, PvP servers, and special event servers. The best part is, you don't need to spend any Robux for this. Everything here works using gems. To unlock a private server, click on the gems icon and claim your daily free gems. You can also see other ways to earn gems listed on the site. Let me claim the daily gems real quick. There we go. Gems successfully claimed. Now go back to the Blox Fruits section and choose the private server you want to access. You can unlock any server for 24 hours using gems. Just click buy and the private server will be unlocked. You can unlock multiple servers if you have enough gems. For example, I'm going to unlock a grinding server, click on it, and it will take me directly to the private server link. And just like that, you're inside the private server. Now, for those of you who are unable to join these private servers, here's why. Roblox accounts that are under 13 years old usually cannot join private server links. Also, if your account has restrictions or you're not allowed to join via links, this method may not work for you. In that case, sadly, free private servers won't be accessible. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.